Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of stylish and modern elevated home decor ideas that you can achieve through DIY projects. Whether you're looking to refresh your space or embark on a complete makeover, these ideas are designed to inspire and guide you in transforming your home into a chic and personalized haven. With a mix of trendy aesthetics, clever tips, and budget-friendly suggestions, we'll help you give your home a fresh, modern update in 2025. Embracing 2025 Home Decor Trends. As we step into 2025, home decor trends are all about blending functionality with aesthetics. The goal is to create interiors that are both beautiful and practical. Let's explore some of the top trends that are shaping stylish and modern homes this year. 1. Sustainable materials. Sustainability continues to be a major focus in home design. Incorporating eco-friendly materials like reclaimed wood, bamboo, and recycled metals not only benefits the environment, but also adds character and uniqueness to your space. Think bamboo shelving, repurposed wooden dining tables, and vintage metal chairs. These pieces are not only sustainable, but also filled with charm. 2. Bold color palettes. Gone are the days of muted tones dominating interiors. 2025 welcomes bold and vibrant color schemes. Think deep blues, rich greens, and striking terracottas. These colors can be introduced through accent walls, furniture pieces, decorative accessories, or even in rugs and textiles. They create a lively and energetic vibe throughout the home. 3. Textured walls and ceilings. Adding texture to walls and ceilings is a trend gaining serious momentum. Techniques like plaster finishes, wood paneling, or textured wallpapers create depth and visual interest. These surfaces can turn a plain wall into a statement and bring warmth and movement to any room. 4. Discrete technology integration. Modern homes are embracing technology that blends naturally into the decor. From hidden speakers to smart lighting systems controlled by your phone, the focus is on convenience that doesn't take away from the visual beauty of your home. This seamless integration keeps your space looking clean while being functional. 5. Maximalism. While minimalism has had its time, maximalism is making a bold return. This trend encourages the layering of patterns, colors, and textures to create rich, expressive, and personal spaces. It's all about celebrating individuality and designing a space that tells your story. DIY projects to elevate your home decor. Let's now jump into practical DIY projects that not only follow the latest trends, but also allow you to showcase your creativity and personal taste. These projects are affordable and beginner-friendly too. 1. Upcycled furniture. Give old furniture a fresh look by repainting or reupholstering. An outdated chair or coffee table can become a statement piece with bold fabric, a new paint color, or even decorative stencils. Upcycling not only saves money, but gives new life to old favorites. 2. Handmade wall art. Creating wall art is one of the simplest yet most impactful ways to personalize your space. Use materials like canvas, wood panels, or even old frames to create abstract designs, quotes, or photo collages. Wall art adds personality and brings blank walls to life. 3. DIY shelving units. Build custom shelves using reclaimed wood or industrial-style brackets. These shelves can serve as both storage solutions and stylish displays for your plants, books, or collectibles. Floating shelves, in particular, can make any wall look organized and modern. 4. Decorative lighting fixtures. Design your lighting fixtures using materials like rattan, wireframes, or old glass jars. DIY pendant lights, sconce, or table lamps can serve as both light sources and decorative centerpieces. Good lighting always elevates a room. 5. Customized textiles. Make your pillow covers, table runners, or curtains with bold fabrics and patterns. You can even try fabric painting or block printing. These DIY textile projects are great for adding color, texture, and warmth to your home. Incorporating natural elements. Bringing nature inside never goes out of style. Natural elements add freshness, calmness, and life to your interiors. Here are a few ways to do it beautifully. 1. Indoor plants. Introduce greenery with potted plants, hanging planters, or indoor herb gardens. Choose low-maintenance plants like snake plants, peace lilies, or succulents. They purify the air and make your space feel alive and vibrant. 2. Natural materials. Add elements like jute rugs, rattan chairs, bamboo shades, or stone decor. These organic materials bring warmth, texture, and an earthy vibe to your home while staying stylish and trendy. 3. Water features. Small indoor water fountains or tabletop features are becoming more popular in home decor. They add a soothing sound, enhance relaxation, and work well in entryways or living rooms. Pair them with greenery for a serene corner. Personalizing your space. Your home should be a reflection of your lifestyle, interests, and memories. Here are some tips to make your space feel truly yours. 1. Gallery walls display a collection of your favorite artwork, travel photos, or framed quotes. Use various frame sizes for a dynamic look. A gallery wall not only adds visual interest, but also tells your personal story and style. 2. Customized furniture. Build or customize furniture pieces like bookshelves, coffee tables, or headboards to suit your space and needs. Custom pieces not only fit better, but also carry your unique design touch. 3. Themed decor. Choose a theme like rustic, boho, coastal, or industrial, and use decor items that match the style. Themes help keep the space cohesive and visually appealing without looking random or cluttered. Budget-friendly tips. Home makeovers don't have to cost a fortune. You can style your space on a budget with smart strategies like 1. Thrift shopping. Visit thrift stores or flea markets to find unique vintage pieces, decor accessories, or furniture with character. You'd be surprised by the treasures you can find at a low price. 2. DIY decor. Making your own home accessories like trays, coasters, or mirrors helps you save money while creating items that perfectly suit your taste. YouTube tutorials can be a great source of guidance. 3. Repurposing items. Turn old items into something new. Use wooden crates as storage bins, mason jars as vases, or an old ladder as a towel rack. Repurposing is creative and eco-friendly. 4. Seasonal swaps. Rotate decor items seasonally to keep your space feeling fresh. Changing throw pillows, adding a new table centerpiece, or using seasonal flowers can instantly lift the mood of your home. Conclusion: transforming your space with stylish and modern elevated home decor ideas is more fun and rewarding when you do it yourself. With these trends and DIY projects, you can create a home that feels truly yours. Whether you want a bold makeover or just a little refresh, remember that even small changes can have a big impact. From sustainable materials to custom creations, your dream home is just a few DIY projects away. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home styling content.